Hello, grade 8. I welcome you again in my maths class. We were talking about playing with numbers and we discussed already some puzzled questions based on missing numbers, addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication, etc. So today I'm going to continue the same topic, playing with numbers, but some different kinds of puzzle. Like today I will discuss on magic square. Okay, magic square. The magic square is like what? When we will fix the numbers in the blanks. 9 blanks are there. Okay, so we have to fix the number in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 9 we have to fix the numbers here, and there should be some relation between all the numbers according to row wise, column wise, or diagonal wise. Okay, there should be some relation between them, and that relation should be exact, means same relation should be there, means जो मिलाकर रो में आएगा वही मिलाकर कॉलम में आना चाहिए और वही मिलाकर डायगोनल्स में भी आना चाहिए. क्लियर? तो हम नंबर्स को ऐसे अरेंज करेंगे लाइक दैट. सो विल पुट द नंबर्स इन which way through which we'll get some pattern there, some order there, some pattern, and the sum should be same. So there is one trick behind it. एक trick होती है through which we can put the numbers there and we'll follow some 1 or 2 steps to make the perfect magic square. 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means what? 1, 2, 3 like this. Row wise, 1, 2, 3 column wise. Okay, and diagonal also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the trick is what? Let's understand. First, you have to draw this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks should be there. Then add 1 block here, middle in the middle. Here also, and here. Okay, so you have to add the 4 blocks like this in the middle, each corners. Now let's start counting from 1. 1, we'll write here, then 2, then 3. Diagonal wise we will write the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Here. Now we'll start 4 from here. So 4. No, from here. 4, 5, 6. If I will start from here 4, so 4, 5 and 6 के लिए कोई space नहीं होगी. So that's why I'm going to start from here, this point. Okay. 4, then diagonally 5, then diagonally 6. Clear? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I will start from here 7 to 7, 8 and then again blank, so it will not be possible. So 7 will start from here, 7, 8 and 9. Diagonal complete. 7, 8 and 9. Now what will happen here? These 4 are extra. They are not lying inside the square. So what we can do here, we just shift the numbers, like 9 will be here. This 9 will be here. It will jump here, 9. And will rough that block. Similarly, 1 can be jumped here. So 1 should be here. And will rough the board here. Will rough the block. Now, same with 3 also. 3 will come here. Directly jump. And, 3. And the number was here. Which number? 7 will come here. So, 2, 7, 6 will add up. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 6, 15. Is giving 15. When we will add 9 plus 5 plus 1, again will give 15. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8 will give 15. So row wise, the sum is coming 15, row wise. Then column wise, let's see, 2 plus 9 plus 4. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 4, 15. Equals to 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3, 15. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So column wise also getting 15. Same pattern. Then diagonals. Okay, so 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. This diagonal is following the same pattern. Then look at this one. 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So diagonal is also coming 15. So in this way, we have found the magic square with numbers lying 1 to 9 inside it. Okay, and they are forming the same pattern. row wise, column wise, and diagonal wise. This is called the magic square. This is called the magic square. Okay. 2, 7, 6, 9, 5, 1, 4, 3, 8. All are different. No number is coming again. Means यहाँ पर हर एक नंबर एक बार ही आ रहा है, कोई दोबारा नहीं आ रहा है. क्लियर? सो प्लीज टेक केयर. कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. 1 से लेकर 9 है तो 1 से लेकर 9 ही होना चाहिए, चाहे वो ऑर्डर कैसा भी हो, बट पैटर्न सेम होना चाहिए उसके नीचे. तो दिस इज अबाउट मैजिक स्क्वायर 3/3. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मैजिक स्क्वायर 4/4 now. Okay, students, you can see 4/4 here and count the blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/4. Total 16 blocks are there. It means we have to put the numbers from 1 to 16. Okay. Now, let's see. 1 to 16 हम put यहाँ directly नहीं करेंगे. There is one trick behind 4/4 also. So, what trick we can use here? We'll just take the even numbers here. We'll take the even numbers. Start from 2. So, let's put 2 here, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, then 26, 28, 30, 32. So we have put all the even numbers from 2 to 32 in these all boxes, 16 boxes. But now what will happen? We'll shift or switch the numbers again here. Okay. And how will we can switch here? How will we'll switch here the numbers? Like in what way we can switch the numbers? Like 2 and 32. They are on extreme corners, like left corner and the right corner, left top corner and right bottom, right bottom. Okay. So what we'll do here? 2 को 32 से switch करूँगा. I will write 32 here and will write 2 here. Done. Now these two corners also 8 और 26 आपस में switch होंगे. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 8 और यहाँ आएगा 26. Clear? Now हमने corners को तो switch कर लिया है. Diagonal wise switch किया है. Means ये corner इससे हुआ, ये corner इससे हुआ. Now अब जो बीच के नंबर है 12 और 22, ये दोनों में डायगोनल है, तो इन दोनों को भी स्विच कर लेते हैं. 12 और 22. 22 यहाँ आ जाएगा, 12 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. सेम विथ 14 एंड 20 ऑल्सो. 14 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर और 20 आ जाएगा. क्लियर है? ये हमने कर लिया स्विच. मैं रिपीट करूँगा एक बार और. 32 एंड 2 स्विच, 26 एंड 8 ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ मैं. देन ये दोनों क्रॉस में और ये दोनों क्रॉस में. बट इसके अलावा और कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके. नाउ सी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नाउ. We just do half of each number. हम सभी का हाफ कर देंगे. क्या करेंगे? सभी का हाफ. So let's see. 32 का हाफ कितना होता है? 16. We'll write 16. 4 का हाफ कितना होता है? We'll write 2 here. 6 का हाफ कितना होता है? 3. 26 का हाफ कितना होता है? 13. तो हमारा फर्स्ट रो कंप्लीट हो गया. फर्स्ट रो रेडी है. सेकेंड रो पे जाइए. 10 का हाफ 5, 22 का हाफ 11, 20 का हाफ 10, 16 का हाफ 8. Second row is also ready. Third row 18 का हाफ 9, 14 का हाफ 7, 12 का हाफ 6, 24 का होता है 20. Third is also ready. Last row 8 का हाफ कितना होता है बच्चों? 4, 28 का होता है 14, 30 का होगा 15 और 2 का होगा 1. That's all. ये हो चुका है हमारा फोर्थ कॉलम, फोर्थ रो भी रेडी. नाउ यू जस्ट सी ऑल द नंबर्स. कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. दे आर ऑल फ्रॉम 1 to 16. काउंट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. All 16 numbers are there. Okay, and 16 blocks. So now what is the pattern? Let's find out. Row wise 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 13 is equal to 34. 5 plus 11 16, 16 plus 10 26, 26 plus 8 34. 9 plus 7 is what? 16. 16 plus 8 22, 22 plus 12 34. 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 15, 34. So all the rows are add up as 34. 34 हो गया. कॉलम देख लेते हैं. 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 30 plus 1, 34. 2 plus 11, 13, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 14, 34. Okay. Then 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 10, 31, 31 plus 3, 34. And ये भी आप ऐड करके देखेंगे तो 34 आपको मिलेगा. Clear? So row wise and column wise we are getting 34 as the answer. Diagonal wise also diagonal. Okay. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 10, 21, 21 plus 13, 34. Again we are getting 34. This diagonal also 16 plus 11, 27, 27 plus 6, 33 plus 1, 34. 34. So again followed the same pattern, all the numbers row wise, column wise and diagonal wise. But this time we are getting 34. In the last 3 by 3 magic square we were getting 15. Okay. So this is about the magic squares 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. I told you both the rules, method, how can we draw the magic square by using the numbers from 1 to 9 and from 1 to 16. Okay, now it's your turn. You have to solve the questions based on the magic squares. Okay, try to find out the answers. Use your brain. You can use the magic squares 3 by 3 and 4 by 4 also for them if required. Okay, thank you so much for attending today's class.